Come here, boy. Here we go, trip 2 to Skilak. It's a lot prettier day today. I mean, the other day it rained half the day on us. Today we're heading out and it is beautiful here. About 62 degrees and we are getting ready to go. Stay tuned. Let's see how many fish we can get today. Sure is beautiful when it's sunny out here. It's got that emerald green to it. Beautiful day today. It's going to be about 62. It's going to be really nice out here on Skilak Lake. It's a dead red.
Oh, it is, isn't it?
Didn't look like it was spawned out either, though. Blake's got one on. Dwayne's going to assist. We lost a bunch of them right at the bank the other day.
You guys hammering a salmon?
We're trying.
Nice. Well, that's good.
We just got out here a few minutes ago. Blake, you're supposed to hold the line when you got him right up to the net. We're out here fishing. All of a sudden these two giant swans show up to see what we're doing. Oh, stuck one right there. Nah, I think I'll get him up here in a minute. He ain't happy. Got a Daiwa wilderness rod with a Daiwa Saltus 40H. I was using a smaller Daiwa reel yesterday and wanted something with a little more power to get them in because we're losing so many of them. So stay tuned. Whoa. They all go into that grass spot right there. They're hard to get out of there. See if I can go over here and pick it up. I know. That's the one I fell in, yeah. Oh man, this guy's goes down deep in the grass. All right, just slide him in the grass there. There you go. That is a good one. All right, that's Blake with his nice fish. Well, he's working that current. He's getting out there in the deep spots. There he is. Your dad's coming after the next one.
Get him, Dad. Up.
Get him back over here against the grass and he'll be out of the current. Point your rod over here toward me. Point your rod, yeah, over to the side like that and pull him over this way. If you can ever trick him into running up there, then you can turn him in pretty quick. He's coming up the grass line. Stubbornly, I see your leader. Oh, he's foul hooked. You're gonna have to throw him back. Yeah, your dad could just net him if you let him sweep down that way.
I got him hooked in the back, like in the spine.
Oh, I thought it was in his belly. Yeah, it's in his belly. It's in the fin on the bottom.
Oh, I thought it was on his top.
No, he's in the fin, so yeah, he'll be a good one to let go. He won't be bleeding or nothing. Give him a little line. Just open the bell for a second, see if it'll run right to your dad. You gotta give it some line though, Blake. You're 4 feet from him. Okay, well get out of my way so I can fish. Blake's a whole hog. Dwayne's got another good one going his way. Blake, you gonna go net it for him? Well, you gotta go down here where your dad is to get the net. Okay. Can you reach that? Yeah. All right. All right. If you love fishing, please subscribe. Blake, I should have filmed you releasing that one. That's a pretty one. He's foul hooked too, looks like. Toss him back. Pretty fish, yes. Gotta go back. Yeah, he's behind you. I mean, he's on the bank behind you. I don't know if he'll come back to you, but he was right there. See if I can get him back to you, Dwayne. Coming your way. Here he comes back. Will he come down a little bit? Okay, hang on, I'm coming your way. They try and hide in that grass. That's the way you do it. Thanks. There ain't many places prettier to fish than these creeks back in here we're in. Lots of big fish in them. He is pulling. Oh yeah, he's silver. Dwayne, you on net this one for me? He's coming your way. Where'd y'all hike in from? Oh man, I would have videoed that if I'd known. All right, this one's waiting on you. How many's on your stringer? You probably just grab him by the tail and pull him to you. He should be laying right beside you. Oh man, them kids got a paddleboard or something over there. Is that a log they're riding? They're riding a log. Ah! I imagine once you got in this water and got used to it, it'd be fine. Watch the hooks, Dwayne. Watch the hooks. Okay, just unhook him. Whoa. Oh yeah. I get one bound every time. Right in there to the left of that's where I've been. Oh, there's one. See what I'm saying? I get one every time I come. Now they're kind of more to the middle today, but here he comes, Dwayne. Coming in fast. What we should have done yesterday is gave Blake the net and told him just to net them all at the corner. That looks like a good one, don't it? All right, just throw it to me. Thanks. Only to get home and get tore up. Here, Blake. Come pick my pole up and put a little tension on it. This thing's gone through this net 6 ways and like threaded a knot over here. Jeez. I don't know how in the world they can get wrapped through the net 4 or 5 times. If you'll just tighten the line up, Oh man, my hat fell in the water.
You gotta be kidding me.
What happened?
He's over there wearing them out. We're having tackle issues.
Well, somebody's got to have tackle issues. Net's coming to you. We'll build a little fire and we're gonna cook some salmon fresh out of the river. If you love fishing, please subscribe.